Happy decluttering day. First and foremost, we are starting with my daughter's bedroom. She has been sick the last 2 to 3 days. So that's really what prompted me to just go ahead and get to cleaning. And my mental health, to be honest, has not been great lately for a few reasons. And so decluttering and cleaning and organizing always helps, always. Strongly recommend, especially the decluttering. So here I am, I just quickly went through my daughter's bathroom, was able to get rid of actually a few things, just kind of going through everything is what I really love to do. Just like touching everything really helps to say, okay, do we still need this? Do we still need that? And then of course, just kind of organizing it and just make it look better, honestly. Okay, now we are back in her room and just kind of tidying it up. Like I said, she's been sick, so she just hasn't been able to. Look at all of the rocks. You guys know my daughter loves collecting rocks and I find them all over the house. It's so weird. Okay, going into my youngest room, just kind of tidying that up. She loves her books, so books are all over the place, so just cleaning those up. My youngest is gonna be 2.5 next month, and so she obviously doesn't really like clean up or pick up her room too much. She definitely helps putting away her toys, but it just needed a good like picking up. The other day I went through a bunch of her clothes and that's what's in that bag. I was able to get rid of quite a bunch of stuff. Going through her closet, just kind of seeing what I can get rid of. There was some extra sheets down there. And then we have all of these pull-ups that are actually too small. We got from a family member. They're too small, so why hang on to them? Getting rid of those. A couple of toys, and then just cleaning off the kitchen table now, because I'm gonna go ahead and put everything that I am donating on the table, so I just like it clean. Look at all of this already. I've only been through a couple of rooms and we already have so much stuff. You guys are probably thinking, how on earth can she declutter anymore when she's already decluttered her whole house? But you guys, I'm telling you, stuff just accumulates over time. It's crazy. Even just like over 1 month, there's stuff that we can get rid of. And then here I am just doing my daughter's, cleaning her laundry, doing her bedding. And then going through this box that has been in my closet, there's a few things in these boxes that I can get rid of. As you can see, I had a pregnancy test in there from like 9 years ago, so I'm finally getting rid of that. Mostly I have pictures in here, but there's just a couple of odds and ends things that I'm just finally getting rid of. And going through my bathroom, this is always just a nice little quick declutter that I can do. There's always like empty products or just things that I can get rid of, things that I can organize, because I'm constantly in these drawers and they just kind of get messy, to be honest. So just kind of going through those quickly and going through under my cabinet. Of course, there's some toothpaste things that I can open, just an empty box. Randomly can just throw that away. And then of course going through my nightstand, because this is always a hot mess. No matter how much I organize it, crap just gets thrown in there. Cords are everywhere. It's a whole thing. So I like going through my nightstand like every couple of weeks. And then going through my daughter's room, just kind of organizing it, picking things up so then I can vacuum. You guys know I love vacuuming so much. It brings me so much peace. It's literally my favorite home task to do. I think it's so satisfying. I think it just like makes your house look so fresh and clean. It's literally my favorite thing to do. I love like picking up the house so much and just making it look nice. It gives me such a peace of mind. I don't know what it is. It helps me. So here I am just putting my daughter's some extra Christmas gifts she got just away in her closet. She's had them under her bed, but now that we have some room in her closet, I'm just gonna go ahead and put those in there so it looks a little bit better. And then a couple of things in her closet that I was able to get rid of that she hasn't played with in, I'd say, 2 years. And then of course going through and just vacuuming the rest of the house. So in my the little 2-year-old's room, And then in our room, I love the simplicity of our room so much. It's my favorite thing, just like going in there, especially after like a long day of work, which always brings me so much stress, but then going into my room, it's nice and picked up, it's minimal, it just brings me so much joy and just helps my mind so much, you know, when you've had like a long, stressful, overwhelming day of work and then you get to go home and, you know, your home is nice and clean and picked up and clutter free. It just helps your brain so much. And here I have a laptop that I haven't used in, I don't even know how, like almost a decade. So I'm just like restarting it and then I'm going to get rid of it. And then bringing down those extra toys and things that we're getting rid of. And books. You guys know I recently went through all of my books, and so I was able to donate like, I think roughly 15-ish. So happy to finally get those out of the house. They've been in the basement, so that just frees up more space in our basement, which is really nice because that's where I work. And then of course cleaning the stairs. I don't get to do this all of the time when I clean the house and vacuum, but today I had time, so I did it. And side note, cleaning your house, oh my gosh, you put up such a sweat. I was like, obviously I have sweats on, but like, man, I was sweating. But it's kind of nice because it's kind of like a little form of exercise, you know. It's like you clean for a couple of hours, that's your body moving for a couple of hours. Like, it's kind of like a workout. And then going in and I had to switch over the laundry, and then of course putting the fitted sheet on my daughter's bed. I was happy to just clean, you know, get all of her bedding clean because she's at her dad's, and then when she comes back home it'll be nice and clean and fresh and the sickness will be gone. Here we are in the guest bathroom. Don't mind the stuff up on the counter. That's some projects I have, but I have been meaning to just kind of maybe kind of go through this, organize it, maybe get rid of a couple of things. So going through, and this is where we keep like all of our paint, you know, we've got a lot of like house projects, so paint supplies and things like that we keep, and then just like a couple of random things like these candles that I actually hate. I've been meaning to get rid of those, throwing that away, just extra things down here that we don't need. But of course, like I said, this is where we just kind of keep some odds and ends things like paint and supplies like that. And it's so much more organized, thank goodness. Then what I do is I just kind of go through the rest of the house. I really like to touch everything just to like fully, I don't know, get that feeling of, do I need this or do I not need this? So that's what I'm doing here, just kind of like going through the decor. Yes, I still want that. I still, you know, would like to keep that. That really helps me. And then while I'm over here just going through and kind of straightening up the couch and the cushions and all of the things to make it look better. And then of course putting away my daughter's water jug. And then let's go ahead and just vacuum the rest of the downstairs. I always love vacuuming the coffee table. There's so many crumbs that get on there all of the time, so I always like take the little side part of the vacuum and vacuum that. By the way, I got this shirt, this pink shirt that I'm wearing from Walmart. It's long sleeve. It's perfect. It was like, I think it was like $7.98 or something like that. Like literally it was under $8. So I'll have it linked below along with some other things like my vacuum. Love buying just like simple basic shirts from Walmart. This shirt is perfect for Valentine's Day, which is like coming up in just a couple of weeks, which is crazy. But just vacuuming the rest of the downstairs and the kitchen, and look at all of that stuff that I'm able to get rid of on the kitchen table. I know it may not seem like a lot, but it's a lot for me because I am like constantly decluttering the house. So this was a huge win for me to like finally just kind of get rid of some of these things that I have been meaning to get rid of for, you know, a couple of months at least. And then of course our junk drawers in our kitchen, oh my gosh, they are such a headache because they just accumulate all of the stuff. So I'm just going through and just like throwing these things away. I never touch them. I've had them for months. Just throwing away the stuff that we don't need, and then just kind of organizing. I don't like organizing our junk drawers because honestly it's pointless. They never stay organized. So I'm just kind of going through, getting rid of what I can, and then just kind of doing some sort of organization. But like I said, honestly, I don't worry about these drawers too much just because they are what they are. They're catch-all drawers, they're junk drawers. And then just kind of going through the rest of our island to seeing what we can get rid of. And look at how beautiful our home looks. We've got the arched cabinet up, the new pillows, the new curtains that I've shown, and it just looks so much better. It's so clean and picked up. Same with our bedroom, so simple. I love it. Our bathroom, nice and clean, minimal-ish. And then of course our laundry room, which I love. And then the girls' bedrooms. Yes, both of their bedrooms are pretty cluttered, but it is what it is. And then of course their beautiful bathroom. We like to keep it minimal in here as well. And I totally forgot I need to go through and make my daughter's bed. She loves all of the pillows and all of the stuffies and all of the things. And here is her room, nice and clean and refreshed. Such a good feeling. And then look at all this stuff. So much books, decor, diapers, clothes, a laptop. Just so many miscellaneous things that we've had around the house that I can just finally donate or toss or sell or get rid of. Amazing. I just got everything taken out to my car so I can go ahead and take it to the donation center. It feels so good to have gone through every room of the house and just get rid of, even if it's just like a couple of things here and there, just to get rid of it. That's why I love decluttering so much. It's because stuff just accumulates. I mean, even after like a month, we've got stuff that just accumulates. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it gives you some inspiration. Maybe just once a month, go through your home from top to bottom, look in your closets, look in your drawers, look under beds, look through everything, and I guarantee there will be things that you can get rid of. There will be things that you can throw away, things that have expired, things that are empty, things that you realize you haven't used in maybe a year, maybe a couple of years. It just feels so good to get rid of the excess crap, because like I have always said, a cluttered home is a cluttered mind. It definitely helps your mental health. I know it really helps me. I hope it helps you too. And again, like I said, I hope you find inspiration in this video. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you're new here. My name is Jolie, and I love cleaning the house. I love decorating the house. I love decluttering the house. I love making homemade sourdough. I love making homemade food. I just love being in my home so much. So if that resonates with you, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.